I've got a 2024 Toyota 4Runner. We just changed the oil, and we are going to reset the oil life and oil filter reminder, okay? So you might be getting a notification on your cluster here saying that maintenance is required. What you're going to do is going to go over to the radio, and over at the radio, you need to hit menu, which gives you the menu right here, and then you need to hit setup, and then go into vehicle here, and then maintenance, okay? This gives you all your maintenance items, okay? If yours are due, if any of these are due, they'll light up yellow. Mine are green because they're not due right now. But you just go into the ones that are due, okay? Like, so if this one was yellow and it's due, you go into here, and there'll actually be an option that says reset right here. Just hit reset, and it'll reset it to the distance that it's set for, okay? You can change the distance and time if you just go into these, and you can change it and everything like that. But that's basically how you do it if you're getting any of the maintenance reminders that are yellow and they're due, okay? So some of these are turned off and some of these are turned on, so you've got to go into them, find out if they're on or off. Like scheduled maintenance is off, and turn them on or off. Hopefully that helped you out, and if it did, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me, and leave me a comment.